Hey, welcome to the next video. What to do and what not to do in your first week on the job.
Welcome to the Nevin Careers channel. We're happy to have you here. Get ready to learn something new. Let's do this.
Hey, new job starting soon? Congrats! But that first week can make or break how people see you and how quickly you settle in. I'm Bob, and today we're covering the Onboarding Survival Guide, what to do in your first week to set yourself up for success. Biggest mistake? Treating it like a vacation or trying to prove everything on day one. Instead, do this. Number 1, show up early, dressed appropriately with a positive attitude. Number 2, take notes on everything, processes, names, tools. Number 3, introduce yourself to teammates and ask smart questions like, what's the one thing I should know about how this team works, right? Number 4, learn the culture. It's super important. Observe how people communicate and collaborate. Number 5, set up your workspace and get all logins sorted immediately. Okay? So here's what not to do. Don't disappear for long lunches or spend hours on personal calls. That's not the time. Avoid saying, that's not how we did it at my old job constantly. Listen first. Don't overload yourself trying to fix everything right away. By the end of week 1, aim to understand your main responsibilities. Okay? That's super important. And have at least one small win. Schedule a quick check-in with your manager to make sure that everything is going according to plan. Okay? And, remember, the first impressions last. So be reliable, curious, and team-oriented and professional. So if you're about to start a new role, or you just did, share your best or worst first week story in the comments below. Subscribe for more. All right, subscribe for more from resume to onboarding and everything else in between. You've got this, and we'll see you tomorrow. Again, subscribe button, click that sucker right there, and we will see you in the next video. Make sure that you hit that little bell icon and select all so you don't miss any upcoming videos. Our next video is how to negotiate a job offer without burning bridges in 2026. We'll see you in the next video.